Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about deep learning and a complete roadmap to learn deep learning and also to become a deep learning engineer. So I was getting many requests in my LinkedIn and even in WhatsApp, and personally many of them were also asking. So for your example, you can see here these two requests how they want to learn deep learning. They were messaging me on LinkedIn. So I thought why not to create a complete roadmap which will be helpful for you all. So I have created a complete detailed roadmap, and even I'll be discussing with you all after deep learning what will be your step, what will be your next step to read, and in which routes you have to go. So guys, now let's not waste our time. Let's dive into my computer screen and discuss more about this. Before that, if you are not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel on the bell notification, and also make sure you all connect with me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn URL is in this video description. So now let's start with the video.